Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to crochet this cotton candy keychain. Also, all the details will be mentioned in the description box below. I have already made this pink chain, so we will start with the cream color chain. I am using weight for acrylic yarn, and this chain comprises of double treble crochet. For making double treble crochet, you have to chain 6. Okay, this is how it looks. Then we have to take a yarn over thrice as shown in video. Then you will have 4 loops on the hooks. Insert the hook into the first chain, take yarn, pull the yarn through it. Now you will have 5 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. This is your first double treble crochet. Second one, chain 6, yarn over thrice, pull the hook to the first one, that is first chain, pull the yarn through it. Now you will have 5 loops on the hook. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. This is your second double treble crochet. Similarly, make 5 more double treble crochet as shown in the video. You will have the base of the chain ready. Here our base of the chain is ready, that is 7 double treble crochet. Now for the next step we have to make 5 single crochet into the loop as shown in the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we are done with 5 single crochet. Now for the 6th single crochet we will make the single crochet at the joining of the 2 loops. Again repeat the process. First single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, and 5th single crochet into the loop. And for the 6th, that 6th single crochet will be at the joining of the 2 loops. There you will automatically get a space, and there you have to make the 6th single crochet. Continue following this pattern for 4 more loops. I will see you at the last loop. We are done with making single crochet in the 6 loops. Now for the 7th loop, make first 5 single crochet into the loop as shown in video. Now add one more single crochet, which is your 6th single crochet, and now you will get at the second part of the chain. Suppose if you are working on the left side of the chain, now you will work on the right side of the chain. It means you have basically turned the project. Now again make 5 single crochet into the loop. It means you have totally made 11 single crochet at the last loop. Now for 6th single crochet, you will automatically get a space between the loops so that you can make your 6th single crochet into that loop. Now repeat the process, that is 5 single crochet into the loop and 6th single crochet at the joining space of the loop. You have to repeat this process till the end of the last loop, and I will see you at the last loop, that how you have to end your project. Done with 6 loops as you can see in the video. For 7th loop, make 6 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. After completing the 6 single crochet, you have to just slip stitch into the first chain, and after that chain 1 and cut the yarn. That's all, your second chain is also ready. Weave in the ends if there are any, and then I will show you how to join them to form that cotton candy keychain. Here both chains are ready. Now just follow the steps as I am showing it in the video to get that chain structure of these 2 chains. And here our cotton candy keychain is ready. You just have to attach them into a keychain loop. For a better structure, you can use any yarn, and you can mix and match with any color of yarns. You can also switch to any other type of yarn. For more detailed and structured look, you can use cotton yarn. In this video I have definitely used an acrylic yarn, but you can go with any type of yarn. So that's all guys. If you like the video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.